Hello, my name is Gabrielle Curtis, and you just heard my song. So, for the first part of my song, I decided that I wanted it to fade in and then immediately gain height and volume because I knew I didn't want my song to stay the exact same for the entire ride, and I wanted to kind of have some pizzazz to it, if that makes sense. So, sorry, let me pull it up. So, as you can see right here, it says -20 because I wanted it to fade in. I wanted the volume to go down and then go up, sort of like a roller coaster. And right here, I had it gain 40. That way it could immediately sound, better and just add some sass. Thank you.